So guys, what I did is because of the hurricane coming up, I moved my scooter, my beautiful Vespa, down here below the stairs. So, I mean, she will be protected because all the stuff, you know, you never know with the high winds.